I'm Magdalene Ho, a 1851 industrial fellow working alongside Imperial College London and ConvaTec. I'm working on a bioinspired nanotechnology that was first developed by my professor in Imperial College London, and specifically for the 1851 industrial fellow, I am working to pioneer this for wound healing. Unfortunately, current solutions are not effective, which means that these wounds cannot heal, so they are at a risk of infection. We developed a nanotechnology that can act like a magnet to selectively attract the specific types of pro-healing proteins that you want. It pulls on the nanotechnology to release the protein, so it's very targeted and efficient delivery, showing that it works across animals as well as show that it can harvest growth factors or pro-healing proteins directly from patients, so you can eliminate the expensive manufacturing process of pro-healing proteins that current strategies currently rely on. We have shown in the lab that it enables the use of several thousand times less proteins compared to existing strategies. This bioinspired nanotechnology allows you to deliver therapeutics in a much more targeted way, which can be used across medical indications. So right now we focus on wound healing, but it could be used for immunotherapy as well as potentially, hopefully, cancer research in the future. I guess the two aspects of my life that has brought me to this field. One of it is that I had a family member that has diabetes, so there is a huge risk of chronic wounds that do not heal, which will lead to amputation. And another is that I used to be an athlete, so I was injured a lot. So I was always leaning towards rehabilitation and regenerative medicine. So in this project, I could combine the two, push regenerative medicine forward, as well as target chronic wounds and difficult wounds. So this bioinspired technology really opens up opportunities for which we can deliver therapeutics in a more targeted manner so that it can impact greater medical indications and push the tissue engineering field. The Royal Commission has supported me in many ways. They're very dedicated to supporting fellows in any way that they can. So their allowance allowed me to attend overseas conferences which I otherwise wouldn't have been able to, and through that conferences established connections which open up doors, which is especially relevant because I'm trying to do a translational project into the US market. The whole community is very approachable, and it's a great opportunity to meet experts from all sorts of fields, which has opened up a lot of opportunities.